Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever felt that Instagram keeps showing the same kind of reels over and over? Or maybe your feed shows posts you do not care about. Today I will show you how to see and customize your Instagram algorithm so you get the content you actually want. First, open Instagram. Now open any reel on your feed. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. From the menu, tap on See Your Algorithm. Here you will see all the topics Instagram thinks you are interested in. For example, football, food, travel, gaming, or technology. These are based on your previous interactions, watch time, likes, and saves. If you want to see more of a topic, tap on Add and select your favorite interests. This tells Instagram to show more reels in that category. Below that, you will also see what you want to see less of. Tap on it to remove topics you are not interested in. Instagram will show fewer videos in those categories. Remember, your likes, comments, and saves also train the algorithm. If you want your feed to be better, only interact with content you like. Avoid scrolling random videos just for fun. This feature helps you fix irrelevant reels, improve your feed, and enjoy Instagram the way you want. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching.